I'm doing today is just playing with the cameras. I want to set up some remote camera and video and me, you know, on doing some stuff and see how much work that's going to be. I've done it before in small clips, but see how it works for the regular video. I'm not going to be out for the whole day like I normally do, because this is going to take some time. And then of course when I get home I got to do all the editing and just see how much work it turns out to be. And well, this on and off the wheeler to set the camera, pretty time consuming. Not something I'd want to do on every video unless there was something really neat going on. But we'll see how it works out. GoPro, stop recording. This is the sort of thing I'm talking about. Plant the camera down at the base of this hill, then climb up it. Have to turn around and walk down it. Get the camera and walk back up. GoPro, stop recording. I don't know how good this will show up here, but this is a squirrel's nest. Quite a colony of them here too. You see all the little holes they dug in there. That's all the shells off the spruce needles, or spruce nuts, or whatever you want to call them, spruce cones. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, that's enough of that. Unless something comes up, it's really interesting. I'm through planting cameras for the day. Head up to the lake, where it's a little bit cooler. Get some lunch. GoPro has stopped recording. Well, the water's up just a little bit more. Not bad though. It's just a few inches. Good spot for lunch. Nice little breeze off the ice. GoPro stopped recording. Whew. Well, cooled off up there by the lake. Head on back home now. I got an early start this morning. Wanted to get out before and back before the sun got way up. It gets unbearably hot. GoPro, stop recording.